Hey, what's going on YouTube and Rumble? Welcome to Robb's Garage. I am Robb, and yes, indeed, this is my garage. Welcome to the channel. Thought I'd give a quick intro video to let all 13 subscribers of you know why I'm doing this. Clearly not for the money, but I'm a very busy guy, 5 kids, stressful career, and a do-it-yourselfer. I love cars. I love spending time in the garage, having fun with my motorcycles. And after a 5-year hiatus, I'm finally getting back on the track. Some of you may have seen a couple of the videos I recently posted being on the track. And one thing that I discovered while in hibernation raising kids the last few years is that there's some really good do-it-yourself videos out there, but a lot of them are way too long for a guy like me who does not have the attention span or the time. So my niche is quick 2 to 5 minute videos on how to to do things, customize some events on the track, that type of thing. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing that, and the great news is I've got a variety of vehicles to work on to show you all. So it's not just for BMW fans. We got a couple other surprises here on the lift, which we'll unveil at another time. We've got a Mini Cooper in the house and Range Rover Sport, some motorcycles, like I said. So we'll be having some fun. The first do-it-yourself project I'm probably going to unveil over here on this M3. For those of you who saw my shenanigans at Buttonwillow and Chuckwalla, I recently posted some track videos. I was very pleased to come first in my run group, but last in my class. A 2:08 lap time on Chuckwalla is nothing to get excited about, but the fact that my power steering broke, no leaks, but I did discover I had no power steering. I think a 2:08 is pretty respectable, especially after being off the track for 5 years. So that is the purpose of my channel. And along the way, you may get some tips on how to raise kids. I got a little bit of experience with that too, so have some fun out there. And look forward to spending some time with you. So do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, so maybe I can get 15 or 16 subscribers. That'd be cool. Rumble it or whatever. I don't know what you do for Rumble. You hit a button, I don't know. But hey, have some fun, and we'll talk soon. See ya.